Jack Bauer killed him 3 or 4 times. Thank you very much. I'm very happy to be here with all of you. It's wonderful to be back in Pensacola. When I was a young Navy pilot, I did my best to help the economy here, Mayor. Entire paycheck was donated to cultural institutions here. Not because of the training here, it doesn't take a lot of talent to get shot down. I was able to intercept a surface-to-air missile with my own airplane, which was McNamara's way of winning the war, as you may recall. So I want to thank all of you. And a moment of seriousness, I have a lot of nostalgia. My grandfather got his Navy wings here. I got my wings here. My son Jack, who was a Navy pilot, got his wings here. I am grateful to Pensacola and the people here, and the relationship that we have between the Navy Marine Corps team and the people of Pensacola is unique and wonderful, and we thank you for that.